Hi guys, good day. Welcome to Leroy's TV. Today I am making lemon chicken. Already prepared and now frying. After fry, I'm gonna add my water boiled and sugar and then squeeze some lemon in it. And I already prepared some lemon peel, cut up very small. So I'm adding my rest of lemon juice and a little bit of cornstarch in it to get it to that right texture. And then I'm gonna add my chicken and see how it is there, guys. Now I'm adding my lemon peel cut up in small pieces, adding it to it to give it a good flavor. Look at that beautiful texture, guys. Look how beautiful that looks. Mmm, yeah. And that it is. Look. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Enjoy, guys. Beautiful. Look at that. It was flavorful. Thanks, guys, for watching. I do hope you enjoy. And stay tuned for more, guys. I appreciate you all. Alrighty? Good. Take care, guys.